In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Hubstaff. If your time entries, schedules, or account settings seem a little off, updating your time zone is one of the simplest ways to make sure everything lines up correctly. This is especially helpful if you've moved to a new location, you work with teams in different regions, or your current time zone was set incorrectly when your account was created. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hubstaff account and you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Hubstaff keeps your personal account options and settings, so it's the starting point for making changes like this. After you click the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select My Account. This will take you to your personal account settings page, where you can manage details related to your profile and preferences. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry, you're in the right place. Once you're on the account settings page, find the time zone setting and click on it. This is the field that controls how times are displayed across your account, including things like tracked hours and other time-based information. Choosing the correct time zone is important because it helps ensure your records match your actual working hours. When you open the time zone setting, select the time zone that matches your current location or your preferred work region. Take a moment to choose carefully, especially if there are multiple similar city or region names listed. A small difference in time zone can affect how your time data appears, so it's worth double checking before you move on. After making the change, Hubstaff should apply the updated setting to your account. If you don't see the adjustment reflected right away, try refreshing the page or navigating away and back to your account settings. In some cases, logging out and back in can also help confirm that the update has taken effect. And that's all it takes to change your time zone in Hubstaff. It's a quick account update, but it can make a big difference in keeping your time tracking accurate and easy to understand. If you're managing work across different locations, it's a good idea to review this setting occasionally to make sure it still matches your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.